it's Linda Medeiros, director with the Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I'm doing a quick, just a really quick shrimp scampi. And I'm using our new scampi seasoning mix. So easy, and I bet delicious. It's the first time I'm making it, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so we have the shrimp in there, and I only have maybe a pound in there. And it's already shelled and deveined. And I am just gonna sprinkle this. I'm gonna mix it up as I go along in there. And I've got my water going for the pasta, and I have just a really, I have like a thin pasta, so this is gonna be really quick, especially because the shrimp is gonna cook very quick too. Let's get that going. I will deal with that in a minute. I've got my new oil dispenser. I love this. Let's put this camera up so you can see me. I love this. You can press this and it will put up the amount and of oil that you need. So I need a tablespoon, so it has just exactly a tablespoon. So no overdoing it on the oil. I love this, and it's made of glass. I like that too. So we've got that going, and then we're just gonna put our shrimp in. And like I said, this is gonna go so quickly. Let's spread it out too much. My bottle of wine, I've got my electric wine bottle open. I love this. It comes with a little stand, but it also, that little stand kind of dubs as a foil cutter. And I love the light. There we go. It's electric. And you can fit this in your purse if you're going to like a party or whatever. You can fit this in your purse so that you can open up your bottle of wine when you get there. So there we go, and it ejects the thing. This is the electric bottle, wine bottle opener. I absolutely love that. And I'm gonna put about a quarter of a cup of white wine in there. So let me just, and you can make this with chicken if you want, or you can do it, usually chicken, or you can do it with scallops. You can do this with the shrimp like I'm doing. Heck, you could probably even do it with veggies. If you're a vegetarian and you just want the seasoning to do with veggies, you can definitely do that. Now I'm just gonna add, what I love about this seasoning mix is I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of butter in here. The seasoning mix, all of the seasonings are in there, so it's easy, and you can have a restaurant quality meal. And who doesn't want a restaurant quality meal at home? I know I do, okay? So I'm gonna show you how this is done when it all comes together. And that is by the way, my stainless nonstick 12-inch skillet. If you don't have it, oh my gosh. That is the one I use all the time. And now we have an 8.5 inch. So we have an 8.5 inch, we have a 10 inch, we have a 12 inch, and we have the wok. These are pieces that you're gonna be using constantly in your kitchen. I use it, for making eggs. I use it for browning chicken and making pan sauces. That is the pan that every kitchen needs. So I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so the pasta is done, and I'm just gonna move this right over here. And we're gonna put the pasta in. Now, it would be better if I had my pasta tongs, but I have them someplace. So we're just gonna add this, and I'm gonna toss it together. Now you can add some parsley if you want. A nice crusty bread would be good for this. I also like to have a salad. I have a lot of salad, so I'm gonna make serve salad on the side of this. Now, and I have the starchy water here just in case I need it. And we're just gonna toss this. And then this dinner is done. Like I said, I think I'm gonna put some parsley on it. And I do not have fresh parsley. I only have dried parsley, but I'm gonna put some parsley on it. And this is going to be dinner tonight. Done in about 20 minutes, start to finish. Gotta love that. This is Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking. Bye for now.